Hey y'all, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know it's been a minute. I just decided to take off this last month because of everything that's been going on with the coronavirus and all of us being quarantined. I kind of was like stressed out. Like I guess I kind of was like in a weird place and I didn't really have the energy to record new content for you guys. This last month has definitely been trying for me mentally. So just to say, nonetheless, I really just needed to take some time to myself, kind of read, write, breathe. I guess be okay with me and my thoughts because I have been by myself for this month. So ready to go back outside, but I hope everybody is staying inside right now. I hope everybody is safe. I hope that your families are safe. And yeah, I just wanted to say that before I started my video. So this video is going to be my quarantine hair growth routine video. I've had like a weekly schedule, so I'm just gonna run through the days and tell you guys exactly what I do, what I use, why I do it. We've been home for a full month, so I hope that you guys have been taking care of your skin, your hair. I know everybody's nails looks like this right now. You guys have never seen my hands like this before. I don't know what you guys are doing with your hair during this quarantine, but if you're looking for ways to get it to its healthiest, this video is for you. Basically, I have created a new hair routine just for this quarantine. I feel like there's no reason for me to have my curls out right now, and I feel like we're going to be quarantined for another month, so I figured why not share with you guys. So that's why I decided to make this my first comeback video for the last month. First things first, every Sunday I deep condition my hair. I do not use a deep conditioner. I use one of these two conditioners. This is Suave. If you guys follow my channel and you guys know me, then you know this is my baby. A lot of people don't use it because they say that it's cheap. This conditioner has amazing slip. First of all, my hair is always so soft. It does not have buildup. You know how sometimes if you leave a conditioner in your hair for a day, your hair will feel like sticky or it'll start to look white. Like you can see that there's conditioner in there. No, I've had this in my hair since Friday. What's today? I don't even know what today is. I've had it in my hair for a few days now, and to be honest, I literally don't rinse it out until I choose to rinse it out. So I've kind of been doing this thing lately where I've been deep conditioning for days, to be honest. Recently I purchased this Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner, and I really do like it. The only thing I will say is it has that, if you leave it on your hair for too long, it'll give your hair that sticky feeling that I was saying that this conditioner does not. They both have amazing slip. You can literally finger detangle after applying these conditioners on your hair. I also add oil into the conditioners to just give it a little bit more moisture. So these have been my main go-to conditioners. I use this conditioner when I'm going to rinse it right out, maybe the next day after. And I use this conditioner when I know I'm going to leave it in my hair for probably 2 to 3 days. So this is how my quarantine hair growth routine schedule has been. So I'd rinse my hair with cool water, then I'd go in and I'd apply one of these two. More than likely, I'm applying this one. I'll put it all over my hair. I section my hair 4, apply this to it. Then I take some oil and I just literally twist my hair with the oil and the conditioner in it. Then I'll pin it up, use this clip to pin it up, and I will literally put a shower cap on top of my head. Then I'll use my heating cap, or I won't use my heating cap. I'll just leave my hair with a shower cap on my head, and I'll leave it like that for the whole Sunday. Go to sleep like that. Monday, I'm leaving it like that as well. Then Tuesday, I rinse my hair out. I section my hair in 4. I moisturize my hair. I ran out of the moisturizer that I've been using 2 days ago. The moisturizer that I've been using is ORS olive oil. I'm going to show you guys how it looks here. And I'll apply some moisturizer to my hair, that moisturizer that I just mentioned, and I'll braid my hair in 2 braids. Leave it in 2 plaits. Comb my hair 1 time out of the week, which is Sundays. Sundays is my day to comb my hair. Every other week I shampoo if needed. Lately I haven't been having buildup because I don't apply much moisturizer to my hair. My hair is usually in conditioner. So basically Sunday condition till Tuesday. Tuesday I'll moisturize it, leave it until on Sunday again I'll deep condition. Sometimes it doesn't go in that exact schedule, but the main thing is that I moisturize my hair once out of the week and I leave my hair up with that moisturizer in my hair, and I deep condition. Every time I'm deep conditioning, I'm also oiling my hair, so it's kind of like a deep conditioning oil treatment. That has really been helping. My hair has not been dry. I have not had buildup. I have not had breakage. Basically, the main thing for this has been low manipulation. I don't really want to tug on my hair too much. I kind of just have been letting my hair do its own thing. If you guys have low porosity hair like I do, then you know that your hair is super dry. It needs all the moisture that you can give it. So deep conditioning has really, really, really been on my side. And honestly, a lot of people feel like when you use cheap conditioners and stuff like that, it may not be good for your hair. But personally, I deep condition so much that I don't want to use a $30 deep conditioner. It just doesn't make sense to me. So I use those two conditioners. If you're looking for a good conditioner with slip that's moisturizing, you can try those conditioners out as well. Right now, my main focus is just moisturizing my hair. So once this quarantine is over and I go outside, my curls can be bouncy, moisturized, soft, thick. I feel like if you're manipulating your hair and you're doing too much to it, tugging on it, curling rod sets every day and all of that other stuff, bantu knots, I really feel like it takes away from the thickness of your hair because you're constantly pulling on it. But if you just really let your hair do its own thing right now, we are home. There's no need to have your hair looking slayed every day. Deep condition. This is the one time that we can look crazy for the whole month because we don't got nowhere to go. So you can literally deep condition your hair for 2 to 3 days out of the week, moisturize 1 or 2 days out of the week. That has literally been my hair schedule for this quarantine. Everything that I've been using is a low budget Aussie and Suaves. I purchased 2 Suave conditioners 2 weeks ago and I spent $10 on both from Rite Aid. They was having like a little, you know, a little sale for the people that got their number on the thing or whatever. But I did that. It was $10. The Aussie was probably $5, and the ORS moisturizer is $5. So literally, you can spend $15, get everything you need. Only things I've been doing to my hair is deep conditioning and moisturizing for this past month, and it has been working miracles. If you guys know, I cut my hair February 27th or 26th, and my hair has definitely grown back so much. I'm gonna show you guys basically how long it is now, but it's almost where it was before I cut it, to be honest. And it has been literally just from me deep conditioning and moisturizing. I definitely have been taking advantage of the fact that we don't have anywhere to go, so I don't mind wearing my hair in conditioner on it for 2 days, 3 days, a week. Who cares? Yeah, that's been my schedule. I just wanted to share with you guys what I've been doing to my hair since this quarantine started. I hope that it's been helpful for you guys. Like I said, the products are super cheap. They are bomb. I'm not putting no product on my hair every week if it's not the best, to be honest. I really do like it. And yeah, the moisturizing. Make sure you are moisturizing your hair right now. Everything your hair needs. If your hair needs a trim, this is the best time to do it. And then just start deep conditioning and moisturizing and oiling your hair. That way, by the time this quarantine is over, we really popping out. You feel me? Like, we trying to pop out with some healthy hair and look like we was working on ourselves, not looking dry and crunchy. I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next